You wake up, step on the scale, and your weight is still stuck.
You think exercise is the problem, but the real problem is your food. First mistake: sugary foods and sugary drinks.
This sugar spikes your blood sugar and turns straight into fat.
Second mistake. Refined carbs like white bread and pastries.
You get hungry again and again, and you overeat without noticing.
Third mistake: fried and processed food. High calories, zero nutrition.
Change your food choices, and your weight will finally start changing.